This place goes on forever.
Help me. Somebody, help me.
This is one specimen of spectral phenomena that doesn't belong on the streets. Good job, Ghostbusters.
Under my supervision, of course.
Spectral phenomenon? Egon's a geek.
He's a brilliant geek.
Go kiss him. You know you want to.
Yep, he was one bad ghost, all right. Taking him down wasn't easy. I had to soften him up first.
I've been meaning to bring that up, Garrett. Don't you think heading in there alone was a little risky?
No sweat. I ain't afraid of no ghost.
I don't know. You looked pretty clammy when we pulled you out of that phone booth.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm getting mighty crabby. Listen to your fat trap.
Children.
I am not scared of ghosts. I'm not scared of anything. Besides, the 𝘧𝘠-1 pooped out. What was I supposed to do? Just sit around?
Garrett's right. The 𝘧𝘠-1 had a clogged fuel line. I never should have let it leave the garage that way.
Roland, it wasn't your fault.
Sure it was, Kylie. It's my job to make sure the hardware around here is reliable.
Yeah, well, whose job is it to make sure the fridge is reliable?
Slimer, you ate all our lunches?
Growing teenagers need their nutrients.
Can we kill him?
No, he's already dead.
Well, it seems Slimer also ate the steamed broccoli I made for Egon.
Extreme Ghostbusters. We ain't afraid of no ghosts. Uh-huh. All right, see you in 30 minutes or less, or you don't pay. We got a situation, people.
Don't let me fall, please. Don't let me fall!
Oh, he's got a nice ecto-afterglow.
It's okay, sir. You're on terra firma now.
Weird. Just before Swank went in, he said he had a fear of heights.
It's a basement, man. He went down, not up.
Well, that's what I mean. Don't you think it's weird?
No electric. There's a surprise.
Hey, you guys want to see something cool?
There's nothing cool about a broken spine, Garrett.
Ooh, yeah, I might lose the use of a limb.
Something's here. Ready? Slimer, what are you doing here?
What else? Looking for food.
Where'd you get that?
Hey!
Phew, this place is like a maze.
We better split up.
Split up?
Yes.
Just scream if you run into trouble.
I'm not a screamer.
Nothing.